How to fix missed call notification red dot not showing in Samsung phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to your settings, and then what you will have to do is go to apps. Now find your phone application. After that, go to notification, and then go to notification categories. Select missed call. Next, what you will have to do is go back and then go to notification from the settings alone. If you can, and from here, what you will have to do is go to brief pop-up settings, and after that you will be able to select option or smart pop-up like this, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.